In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use reference image in Leonardo AI Mobile. To get started, open the Leonardo AI app on your phone. Once the app loads, look for the Generate section and tap on it. This is where you'll create your image, and it's also where you can add a reference image to guide the results. Next, tap on the Prompt area. This is the space where you'll eventually describe what you want Leonardo AI to create. Before typing your prompt, go ahead and tap on Add Image. This option lets you bring in a visual reference, which can help the AI better understand the style or subject you want to work with. At this point, you'll be able to choose where the image comes from. You can either select one from your device library or use an image from your generation library. The device library is useful if you already have an image saved on your phone, while the generation library is helpful if you want to reuse something you created earlier inside Leonardo AI. After that, tap on the image you want to use. Once the image is selected, you'll see two options: style reference or content reference. Style reference is best when you want Leonardo AI to follow the visual look of the image, such as the colors, texture, lighting, or overall artistic feel. Content reference is better when you want the AI to pay attention to the subject matter or composition of the image instead. Choose the option that matches your goal, then return to the prompt area and start typing your prompt. Try to be clear and specific so the AI has both your written instructions and the reference image working together. When everything looks good, tap Generate to create your image. And that's how to use a reference image in Leonardo AI Mobile.